Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anong oras nyo man pinapanood ng video na to? Yan. Woo! Good. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Actually, nag-promise ako before, I think I showed the video, I don't know, maybe a month ago, na nabasahin ko sa inyo ang librong to. But hindi yun nangyari dahil I'm really sorry kasi nagkaroon ng sa trabaho, yung load ng trabaho, it's really very hectic. So it was just last week na medyo naging ayos na at natapos na namin yung mga dapat ayusin. So guys, starting today I will be able to read this book to you, The Genius of the Poor. So samahan niyo po ako na basahin ito kasi marami tayong matututunan sa mga sinulat dito sa libro at at the same time nagpaalam din ako sa author nito, si Mr. Thomas Graham. Sarap ng kanyang pangalan, Graham. Thomas Graham, na before I shoot a video at basahin ito at i-share, of course, is hingin muna tayo ng ano sa kanya, siyempre ng pahintulot. So yan, so pwede na ako mag video. So I guess what will happen is I will be reading this book maybe around 5 minutes max up to 10 minutes kasi masyado naman mahaba yun. So hanggang matapos natin ang book na to, we'll be able to really journey, sundan natin yung naging journey ni Thomas Graham. Kasi na-meet ko actually ito si Thomas sa Bicol, sa Bulacan, sa Gawad Kalinga Enchanted Farm, sa Angat, Bulacan. So isa siyang napaka-jolly na tao and of course taga England. And by the way, this book, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, I guess today or yesterday nakita ko yung post niya that this book is available now in National Bookstore. So yan, so, pinopromote ko syempre. Syempre, walang bayad to Pero I encourage you guys, sa mga gustong magkaroon talaga ng hard copy nito, ay bumili sa National Bookstore, or you can tune in on me. Tune in kayo dito at pasahin natin na matapos natin ito, and we'll be able to really makita yung mga bagay-bagay, yung mga nakita ni Tom at na-experience ni Tom sa Gawad Kalinga or sa GK through this book. So yan na, isahan ko na. So the title of the book is The Genius of the Poor. It was written by the Englishman, life-changing journey in the Philippines named Thomas Graham. So sabi ni Tito Tony, kasi Tito Tony Meloto, he's the founder of Gawad Kalinga, and it's sabi niya rito is time to ditch the shirt and the tie. Instead, go out and discover yourself, the genius of the poor. So The Genius of the Poor by Thomas Graham. Our journey begins now. Okay, so taas ko lang to para medyo mabago yung ating view. Okay, right? Ganda kasi nakatayo Ayos ba sa inyo yan? Ayos lang? Alright. Kaya lang ang kulit kasi, ang daming kalat dito yan. Kalat ng park na to. So yan. So basahin mo natin yung likod, of course. So si Thomas is a young British journalist. The young British journalist Thomas Graham was a short-term editorial assignment in the Philippines. So when he interviewed Tony Meloto, asked why poverty remained so high in the country. Okay, Mr. Meloto urged Thomas to delve into the heart of the matter. You won't find the answer you are looking for on that clipboard or theoretical question. Instead, enter the world of the poor and find solution together. So it's natin ito Tony sa kanya, taas ko lang na konti yan, right. Ito Tony sa kanya na hindi mo makikita sa nasasagot yung mga tanong sa ganyan lang. You really have to experience it, parang ganun. So Thomas promptly quit his job. My God, he quit his job, moved out of his high-rise Manila apartment, and set out on a journey that took him across the length and breadth of the island. Along the way, he ignored the warnings of his embassy and headed into conflict areas, sporting only a GK t-shirt. Imagine, t-shirt lang yung protection niya. For protection, befriended former gang leaders and briefly lost his father during the visit into a prison. So whenever he went, he uncovered remarkable tales of resilience, hope, and transformation, which taught him more insights and life lessons in a 12-month journey, so than all his education back home had achieved. So most importantly, he learned that Mr. Meloto's contention was true. A country like the Philippines blessed with such abundant resources and talented people, really does not have the excuse to be poor. I really and truly believe that. You know, really, um, we don't have an excuse to be poor. It is just us. We really have to work for that. So yan. So 5 minutes na. So yung kasama yung introduction ko kanina. So hindi pa natin basahin yung lahat. So yung mga intro lang dito muna sa harap. So ano ba yung GK? So what is I just want to tackle about what is Gawad Kalinga. So Gawad Kalinga meaning to give care. Gawad Kalinga in Tagalog, Filipino is meaning in English and to give care. Gawad is give and Kalinga is care. So it is a global movement that started in the Philippines. It aims to end poverty by first restoring the dignity of the poor. Since it was formally established in 2003, Gawad Kalinga Community Development Foundation, Inc. or GK has expanded its work to over 2,000 organized communities throughout the Philippines. So JK has emerged as a multi-faith, multicultural platform for nation building and is that at the forefront of peace building effort in conflict areas of Mindanao and reconstruction work in post-disaster communities. So the GK model has been adopted in other developing countries such as Cambodia, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, In recent years, JK has been recognized by the number of local and international organizations. Its founder, Tony Miloto, has received the following awards on the organization's behalf: the Social Entrepreneur of the World, World Entrepreneurship Forum in 2012, Skoll Award for Social Entrepreneurship in 2012, Japan Nikkei Asia Prize for Regional Growth 2011, Social Entrepreneur of the Year Ernst & Young Philippines in 2010, and Ramon Magsaysay Awardee for Community Leadership way back in 2006. Alright, so just the background, and of course one more background for our author. We have to really mention this before we go ahead tomorrow for the main content. Okay, so who is Thomas Graham? So he was born in London, England. After a decade living and working in various countries in Europe, South America, and Africa, he arrived in the Philippines in January 2012 on a short-term assignment. In 2012, yeah, I'm already here in Qatar at that time. So his experience journeying through Gawad Kalinga communities have already been documented in the national press, with the consecutive articles reaching the front page of the Philippine Star in 2013. Alright, he was recently set up a social enterprise, or MAD, Make a Difference. It's a travel agency. Okay, it is currently a social enterprise. And it's working closely in collaboration with the GK Enchanted Farm to promote social tourism in the Philippines. See, an Englishman who promoting social tourism in the Philippines. He is more a Filipino actually. Para siyang Pilipino na talaga. So about Tony Miloto. Tony Miloto grew up in a lower middle class family in Bacolod City. So actually ako rin ay taga Negros, but it was in Kawayan. It is like 5 hours drive from Bacolod. So pareho kami ni Tito Tony na Ilonggo. Alright, so may resemblance kami ha. Thank you Tito Tony. So at a young age, he was already exposed to the squalid living condition of the poor, his home being near a shoreline squatter community where poverty was very pronounced. So the beneficiary of an academic scholarship, he graduated in 1971 with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Economics from Ateneo de Manila University. He went on to work as a purchasing manager for Procter & Gamble Philippines before eventually building his own name as an entrepreneur. Alright, so it was in 1985 that Tito Tony Miloto life took a different path, which eventually led him to the inspiring work of Gawad Kalinga. So he emerged as a leader of a Catholic organization, Couples for Christ, or CFC. So currently I'm also a member of CFC here in Qatar, and Tito Tony also he started in CFC. Wow. So CFC is becoming an instrumental in setting up of the CFC Family Ministries in 1993. So in 1995, he felt a powerful call to work with the poor through a youth development program of gang members and juvenile delinquents in Bagong Silang, Caloocan City. This program has since evolved to become Gawad Kalinga, a global movement that builds integrated, holistic, and sustainable communities in slum areas. Alright, so that's the background about this book. And of course tomorrow mag-start talaga tayo sa content ng book na to. And yeah, with our journey with the content bukas. So basahin ko sa inyo. So yun, baka 10 minutes na ako. Maraming salamat guys. Samahan niyo ako. Basahin natin to at makinig kayo. Marami talaga tayong matututunan dito, and it is an eye opener yung mga na-experience dito ni Thomas, yung mga na-share niya rito, even dito Tony. Na-meet ko na rin si Tony like twice. Thrice this year, and it was a blessing na makakarinig ka ng isang inspiration, nung tao talaga na ginagawa niya. He really walked the talk. Despite of all the odds na nangyayari sa buhay nila, siyempre may personal din silang mga problema, but Tito Tony was really someone, he is a visionary, he is someone na nakikita ang hindi pa nandiyan kahit wala pang ebidensya, but he was able to really see it. Makikita mo talaga na he really inspired a lot of people. And if you have time to visit Gawad Galing Enchanted Farm in Bulacan, punta kayo, and it's a good place para mag-enjoy din mga bata. May swimming pool doon, mayroon sila doong place na pwede ka magstay for a cost. So yun, just journey with me by reading this book. Samahan nyo lang ako. So I guess it will be a wonderful time together. Pulang ako, napagod na ako. It will be a wonderful time sa lahat na ayun, na maglakad tayo. Okay, so thank you, appreciate you guys. Just be thankful about life, and that's it. Be optimistic. Pag may problema, take a deep breath, appreciate na naghumihinga ka pa. So that's a big blessing already. So maraming salamat, goodbye, and see you again bukas. Okay, thank you and God bless. See you.